Okay, to mark a piece of wood for cutting using a tape measure and a square or a ruler, here's what you need to do. First of all, you need to know how long of a piece of wood you want to cut, depending on your project. So for instance, I want to cut a piece, let's just say I want to cut a piece here that's 5 inches long. I'm going to make a mark using my tape measure at the edge of the board, right at the edge here, putting the tape against there, the end of this tape against the edge of the board, and I'm going to make, the end of the board, and I'm going to make a mark, just a little tick mark like that, real close to the edge at the 5-inch mark. You could also use a ruler for that. The squares, these kind of squares have marks on them for millimeters and inches, but I don't like using these because these are just hard to see, and only in a, I'd use this in a pinch if I didn't have anything else, but you want a proper measuring tool like a tape measure or a ruler to do a real good job. These are just hard to see, and I think they're there for just, but they make great, they're great for squares and some other things. But so when you use a square, after you've marked it, you want to take the square, put this, the body, the flat part of the body, right against the edge of the wood. Make sure it's against the edge of the wood like that. You don't want to do like that. That's not going to help you. You want to put it right against the edge. You want to get it lined up right on your mark. Take your time doing this and do it carefully. And I'm holding it with, my hand's big enough to hold it like that, but you might have to find a different way to hold it. But make sure the edge of the wood is right against the body and you're lined up. And once you have that lined up, just take your pencil and just make a nice little mark like that. And then, that's where you can cut your board. And I'll show you that in another video.